Top 5 compliments your wife expects from you. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the simple compliments your wife literally yearns from you. Most of you never really compliment your wife, do you? In fact, you casually overlook the relentless contribution of your wife in making your life comfortable. Do you know when you overlook the good things about your wife, it makes her feel very unhappy? Your poor wife craves for your compliments more than anything else. Your compliments mean that much to your wife. It is very strange you never utter a word of compliment about your wife, even though you well know that you are totally dependent on her for your emotional support and well-being. Though you hold back from complimenting your wife, you are more than ready to pass sneering comments about her. You criticize almost everything about your wife, so much so that she feels she's not good enough for you. Why do you hold back complimenting your wife? It is because you take it for granted that it is the duty of your wife to look after you and your family. By not complimenting your wife, you're missing out the easiest tool to make her feel loved and cherished by you. When your wife feels loved by you, she literally transforms your life into a heaven of comfort and relaxation. Are the compliments your wife expects from you so complicated that you never know how to go about it? Far from it. The compliments your wife expects from you are so simple that you would be amazed to know the uncomplicatedness of it. When you compliment your wife, it instantly sends her the message that you observe and notice her relentless work for your family. Your wife adores you when you notice the good in her. What are the compliments your wife expects from you? Your wife wants you to compliment her for what she is. She wants you to compliment all the good things she does for you. Your wife wants you to compliment her by praising her before your friends, relatives, colleagues. Your wife feels fulfilled when you make her feel that you cannot do without her. She feels thrilled when you praise her for being an excellent mother. Such simple wishes, aren't they? Shall we amplify the basic 5 compliments your wife expects from you? The number 1 compliment your wife expects from you is praising her appearance. Your wife wants to hear you saying that she looks beautiful. You look beautiful. When you were in love, you uttered these complimenting words about the beauty of your wife an umpteen time. But after your marriage, you do not notice her beauty at all. Even when your wife painstakingly takes care to look good before you, you scarcely notice it. Your wife wants you to make her feel that she's beautiful, and she craves for your compliments about her beauty. You look ravishing in the dress you're wearing. Your eyes look beautiful. I like the way your hair looks shining and glowing. When you specify what you like about the appearance of your wife, it makes her feel even more loved by you. But you're so practical towards your wife that you feel it unnatural to keep complimenting her looks and beauty. It is not as though you have ceased to admire beauty of any sort because of your added responsibilities after marriage. Your eyes do ogle at the beauties you see around you. But you scarcely notice the beauty right in front of you in the form of your wife. The simple way to make your wife feel happy is to compliment her beautiful appearance. She just loves it. The number 2 compliment your wife expects from you is your appreciation of her cooking. The food you have prepared tastes really good. Your wife wants to hear such compliments from you about her cooking. My husband never ate without complimenting my cooking. It made me feel very loved and cared by him. Do not think cooking is an easy joke. Satisfying your rumbling stomach takes lots of work and care from your wife. Your wife cooks different recipes to satisfy your taste buds. But when you eat the food your wife has prepared so diligently without appreciating it, she feels highly irritated. Your wife is resentful when you scarcely notice how she had slogged long sweaty hours to prepare the dishes you like. Your wife feels that you're insensitive when you eat your stomach full without saying a word in appreciation. This is the best dish I have eaten. Your simple compliment would have made your wife want to cook even better for you. The number 3 compliment your wife wants to hear from you is the appreciation that she's a good wife. When you are among your friends, relatives, colleagues, you often make your wife the target of your sick jokes, don't you? It only shows you in a very bad light. This is a common blunder you often commit. You do not have the guts to make fun of your wife at home as you fear that she might lash out at you. But when you're with your friends or relatives, you feel it is a God-sent opportunity. When you're with them, you get carried away and want to show yourself off as a very humorous person. And the target of your unwelcome humor is always your wife. You make fun of your wife in the worst possible way, thinking that you're being funny, while in actual fact you're being plain nasty. You make your wife angry and resentful by your insensitive behavior. She's a good wife and takes loads of stress away from me. Simplest of simple compliment. But this simple compliment makes your wife feel that you're the best husband who values and treasures her. The number 4 compliment your wife expects from you is appreciation that you want her presence with you always. You feel lost when your wife is not around, don't you? You feel a vacuum within you when she's not at home. You do not like cooking for yourself. Your home is littered as you do not know how to clean it. You're all at sea not knowing how to look after yourself. Do not hide the emotional truth that you're missing your wife. Confide it to her. I missed you. This is one of the topmost compliments your wife expects from you. Your open comment that you missed her presence is an emotional compliment your wife will never outgrow. The number 5 compliment your wife expects from you is the appreciation that she's a wonderful mom. Can you manage your children for one single day? You'll be fatigued trying to cater to the clamoring demands. But have you watched your wife? She more than manages your kids. She guides your children, molds them, and looks after them with care. She's always there for them. Looking after your children as good as your wife is something which you can never dream of. You're a wonderful mom. Such a simple compliment about her motherly duties makes her feel thrilled and excited that you value her as a good mother and wife. When you do not compliment your wife, she feels you're just using her to cater to your male needs. But when you compliment your wife, she feels completely loved by you as you have made her feel her worthiness. Did this video make you understand the simple compliments your wife needs from you? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.